Hey guys, today let's learn how to remove the shadow ban on Instagram. So if you guys became shadow banned on the Instagram application and you want to go ahead and remove that option, in this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys how to do that step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so one of the methods we could actually do to solve this issue is to try to go ahead to deactivate your Instagram account. So go ahead and launch the Instagram application, and then what I want you to do on here is to tap on this profile right here and tap on your three lines on the top right corner, and then tap on settings and privacy. Now I want you to go ahead and tap on the account center, and you should basically see these details. Now when you tap on over on personal details, you can have this option called account ownership and control. I want you to tap on that and then tap on deactivation or deletion. Now make sure you select your preferred Instagram account and then tap on the option to deactivate account. Now as you see, deactivating your account is going to be temporary, so go ahead and proceed with tapping on continue, and you need to go ahead and confirm by entering your password. And once that is done, it is going to be easy for you to go ahead and reactivate your account again just by simply logging back into your account. Now doing those methods or that method should solve your issue, but if you're still experiencing this issue even though you've tried that method, what we can do is to double check our internet connection with our Wi-Fi. So we can actually double check if we have troubles with our internet and double check also our cell data and see if that is going to work better for us. And the last thing we could actually do to solve this issue is to go ahead and launch the Instagram application and delete the specific banned post. Now you may have violated the terms and conditions and community guidelines of Instagram, which is why the users or the developers of Instagram actually shadow banned you. So what we can do to solve that problem is to just go ahead and revoke that post, delete it, and that should solve your problem. Now that's all for this video guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.